Unreal Engine crash on PC 2026, UE4 UE5 Fatal Error, low-level Fatal Error, and crash on startup fix. Fix 1, restart your PC, close the game completely, restart your computer, launch the game again. Fix 2, verify game files, open your game launcher, right-click the game, select Properties, click Verify Integrity of Game Files, wait for the verification to complete. Fix 3, update your graphics driver. Download and install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Restart your PC after installation. Fix 4, update Windows. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install all available updates. Restart your PC. Fix 5, repair Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. Download and install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 x64. Download and install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 D2022 x86. Restart your computer. Fix 6, delete Unreal Engine cache. Press Windows R, type %local app data %, and press Enter. Delete the D3DS cache folder if present. Open the game's saved folder. Delete the derived data cache, shader cache, and temp folders if available. Restart your PC. Fix 7, disable overlays. Disable Steam overlay. Disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin overlay. Close MSI Afterburner and Riva Tuner Statistics server. Fix 8, disable overclocking. Reset your CPU and GPU to default clock speeds. Disable XMP Expo temporarily if recently enabled. Launch the game again. Fix 9, run the game as administrator. Navigate to the game installation folder. Right-click the game executable. Select Run as Administrator. Fix 10, repair system files. Open command prompt as administrator. Run sfc/scanow. After it finishes, run DSM online, cleanup image, restore health, restart your PC. Shatter. Fix 11, lower graphics settings, disable ray tracing, reduce texture quality, lower shadow quality, enable DLSS, FSR, or XCS if supported, limit FPS to improve stability. Fix 12, reinstall the game, uninstall the game completely, delete any remaining game folders, reinstall the latest version. Launch the game again.